10-month-old baby trying to put on her seatbelts from her high chair, not knowing the missing piece is the one down there between her legs that she has to put to snap. See the missing piece? This is the missing piece here. She's trying to put on her seatbelts. She can't figure it out. Michelle, look the piece right here. Here. Look. She's trying to put on her seatbelts. Okay, I'll help her find the piece. Let's see if that would work. Put on your seatbelts. Is she gonna get it? So she knows that it goes together. She just don't know how. You got it? Yeah? Okay, you know what to do? Okay, so do it. Okay. All right, thank you for watching. Clap for mommy. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap. Yay, clap your hand.
Clap, clap, clap. Clap, Michelle. Clap. Michelle, clap.
All right, let me hold on to her before she get out of this chair. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye. Wave. Wave, Michelle. Bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah. We're still trying to do the seatbelts.